Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip, faulty kitchen faucet valve. Don't let the fancy name fool you, this little gizmo. Cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role. But when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your faulty kitchen faucet valve, no matter the brand or grime. When dealing with a faulty kitchen faucet valve, it's essential to address the issue promptly to avoid any further damage or inconvenience. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process on how to fix a kitchen faucet valve problem effectively. Tools and materials needed: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, towels or rags, plumber's tape, bucket or container. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Locate the shutoff valves under the sink. Turn off both the hot and cold water supply by rotating the valves clockwise. Test to ensure that the water is completely shut off by turning on the faucet. Step 2. Remove the handle. Using a screwdriver, remove the screw that holds the handle in place. Carefully pull off the handle to expose the cartridge or valve underneath. Step 3. Inspect the cartridge or valve. Examine the cartridge or valve for any visible signs of damage or wear. Clean the cartridge or valve with a clean cloth to remove any debris or buildup that may be causing the issue. Step 4. Replace the cartridge or valve. If the cartridge or valve is damaged beyond repair, it will need to be replaced. Consult the manufacturer's instructions or seek professional help to find the correct replacement part. Install the new cartridge or valve following the manufacturer's guidelines. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Place the handle back onto the faucet and secure it with the screw. Turn on the water supply and test the faucet to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Here are some additional tips. Take pictures during disassembly to help you put everything back together correctly. If you're unsure about any step, consult a professional plumber. When buying replacement parts, bring the old washer or cartridge with you to the hardware store to ensure you get the right match. By following these steps, you can successfully fix a kitchen faucet valve problem and restore your faucet to proper working condition. Remember to exercise caution and seek professional help if needed. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on faulty kitchen faucet valve. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.